454 leaders in New Orleans are urging people to respect the family of the victims of the Hard Rock Hotel construction site collapse because new images circulated on social media this week of a tarp fell off the building, but it reveals what many people believe are the remains of one of the victims. Authorities say they haven't recovered two bodies because the process is so dangerous. They also can't put up a new tarp because parts of the building shifted. A controlled demolition is scheduled for March.